In this video I am going to show you how to create a modern and clean cinematic title in Premiere Pro. Before we start editing, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our new tutorials. The first thing we are going to do is to go to the text tool or just press T on your keyboard and then start typing your text. Next we are going to change the font of the text. Try to choose a cinematic font so that the text looks better. Now let's increase the text size and increase the tracking. This increases the spaces between the letters. Then select the shadows. Then click on the Align buttons. Before we start animating the title, I want to talk to you about Morning Light Music. This website provides unlimited music for creators. It has more than 25,000 high-quality music tracks to use in your projects. There are lots of playlists to fit your needs. You also have unlimited downloads. All you have to do is to sign up for one of the 3 memberships they offer. You can use this code MT10 to get 10% off of all the memberships. After that, you can browse their songs and download them to use for your projects. Even if your subscription has ended, all your previous content is still covered. The link for the website is in the description. Now we are going to animate the title. So go to the Effect Controls and create a keyframe on scale and drag it to the end of the clip. Now go to the beginning of the clip and create another keyframe by decreasing the scale from 100 to 90. Now we have a zoom effect. Next we are going to do a fade in and fade out. So create a keyframe at opacity and change it to 0. Then move a few frames forward and change the number to 100, then move again and create another keyframe at 100 using this button. Then move to the end of the clip and change the number to 0. This way we have a fade in and out. Now we are going to add in one more effect. Go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur, then add it to your title. Then go to Effect Controls and scroll down to the effect. Create a keyframe on blurriness, and we are going to align all the keyframes with the opacity keyframes. Now change the number to 130 and align it with the first keyframe. Then go to the second keyframe on opacity and change the number to 0. Create another keyframe and align it with the third one on opacity. Then go to the end of the clip and change the number to 130. For the final step, we are going to add a background to our title. Just drag a video under your title. And that is how the final product looks like. And that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials.